Hello everyone! Hafan is very happy to see you all again in today's episode. As you know, in episodes 3 and 4, we explored many interesting English idioms. But to truly master them, we need to incorporate them into real-life, everyday communication situations. Therefore, in this episode 6, Hafan has compiled 100 of the most common conversational phrases, cleverly incorporating old idioms. This is not just a review, but also a way for us to nurture our minds and improve our language skills in the most natural way. Let's get started! Relax, the interview is a piece of cake. Relax, the interview is a piece of cake. I only go to the gym once in a blue moon. I only go to the gym once in a blue moon. You have a big test today? Break a leg! You have a big test today? Break a leg! I can't go out. I'm under the weather. I can't go out. I'm under the weather. Stop talking around and cut to the chase. Stop talking around and cut to the chase. I'm snowed under with reports right now. I'm snowed under with reports right now. This new laptop costs an arm and a leg. This new laptop costs an arm and a leg. The plan failed. Let's go back to the drawing board. The plan failed. Let's go back to the drawing board. Could you keep an eye on my luggage? Could you keep an eye on my luggage? Coding is hard, but it's not rocket science. Coding is hard, but it's not rocket science. Can we take a rain check on dinner? Can we take a rain check on dinner? My brother is such a couch potato. My brother is such a couch potato. I'm exhausted. Let's call it a day. I'm exhausted. Let's call it a day. You really hit the nail on the head. You really hit the nail on the head. It's a surprise, so don't spill the beans. It's a surprise, so don't spill the beans. That movie was great. It kept me on the edge of my seat. That movie was great. It kept me on the edge of my seat. I'm late because the bus was slow, long story short. I'm late because the bus was slow, long story short. Don't worry about the small stuff, let it go. Don't worry about the small stuff, let it go. We are in the same boat, so let's help each other. We are in the same boat, so let's help each other. He's barking up the wrong tree if he thinks I'll pay. He's barking up the wrong tree if he thinks I'll pay. I was over the moon when I heard the news. I was over the moon when I heard the news. We should keep it under wraps for now. We should keep it under wraps for now. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. I've been feeling under the weather all week. I've been feeling under the weather all week. It's time to face the music. It's time to face the music. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Let's get the ball rolling on this project. Let's get the ball rolling on this project. I'll be there in a heartbeat. I'll be there in a heartbeat. You're pulling my leg, aren't you? You're pulling my leg, aren't you? He's always building castles in the air. He's always building castles in the air. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Don't bite off more than you can chew. That's the last straw. That's the last straw. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. Let's play it by ear. Let's play it by ear. I'm all ears, tell me everything. I'm all ears, tell me everything. Break the ice with a joke. Break the ice with a joke. He has a heart of gold. He has a heart of gold. You can't please everyone. You can't please everyone. Keep your chin up. Things will get better. Keep your chin up. Things will get better. It's written all over your face. It's written all over your face. I'll keep my fingers crossed for your success. I'll keep my fingers crossed for your success. Why are you so blue today? Why are you so blue today? Let's call a spade a spade. Let's call a spade a spade. It's a small world, isn't it? It's a small world, isn't it? You need to pull yourself together. You need to pull yourself together. I'm just pulling your leg. I'm just pulling your leg. That's a long shot, but let's try. That's a long shot, but let's try. Don't lose your cool over this. Don't lose your cool over this. It's time to hit the books. It's time to hit the books. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. That's music to my ears. That's music to my ears. I have to hit the sack now. I have to hit the sack now. You're on the right track. You're on the right track. That rings a bell. That rings a bell. Let's wrap things up. Let's wrap things up. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. We're all in the same boat. We're all in the same boat. Better late than never. Better late than never. I'm on cloud 9 right now. I'm on cloud 9 right now. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. I'll give you a heads up. I'll give you a heads up. Think outside the box. Think outside the box. Take it with a grain of salt. Take it with a grain of salt. It's a piece of cake for me. It's a piece of cake for me. You can say that again. You can say that again. Leave no stone unturned. Leave no stone unturned. Let's call it a night. Let's call it a night. Time flies when you're having fun. Time flies when you're having fun. I'm on the fence about it. I'm on the fence about it. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. I'm going to hit the hay. I'm going to hit the hay. It was a blessing in disguise. It was a blessing in disguise. You're second to none. You're second to none. Cut me some slack, please. Cut me some slack, please. Break a leg on your performance. Break a leg on your performance. It's out of my hands now. It's out of my hands now. To make a long story short. To make a long story short. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. I'm under a lot of stress lately. I'm under a lot of stress lately. Keep an eye on the time. Keep an eye on the time. It's up in the air. It's up in the air. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I'm snowed under with homework. I'm snowed under with homework. That laptop costs an arm and a leg. That laptop costs an arm and a leg. I'm all ears for your advice. I'm all ears for your advice. It's a long story. It's a long story. Once in a blue moon I eat out. Once in a blue moon I eat out. Don't spill the beans about the gift. Don't spill the beans about the gift. You're barking up the wrong tree. You're barking up the wrong tree. Let's play it by ear today. Let's play it by ear today. I have a heart of gold, really. I have a heart of gold, really. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. You hit the nail on the head again. You hit the nail on the head again. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather. It's written all over your face. It's written all over your face. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Good luck and break a leg. Good luck and break a leg. Episode 6 of the series, featuring 100 practical conversational phrases, has come to an end. Hathan hopes that incorporating idioms into real-life conversations will help you remember them better and feel more confident in your communication. Don't forget to review every day to make language your own asset. Thank you for always supporting the Hathan VN channel. Leave a comment if you'd like me to cover any new topics. See you in the next video from Hathan. Goodbye.